we are diving into something that is honestly going to change the way you look at slide decks forever. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen with a deadline looming, trying to figure out how to make a bunch of bullet points look professional. Today, we are walking through Pitch, a tool that simplifies that entire struggle. We are going to show you exactly how to build, customize, and manage beautiful presentations in just a few minutes. First of all, we have to talk about how a presentation actually starts in this workspace. There are three main paths you can take. You can start completely from scratch if you have a very specific vision, you can import an existing PowerPoint if you are migrating work, or you can use their new AI, Pitch Agent, which is easily the most efficient way to work. We find that starting with the AI is the smartest move because it handles the heavy lifting of structure and layout before you even touch a key. All we have to do is provide a prompt, a starting document like a PDF, or a brief explanation of what the presentation is supposed to be about. Once we give the AI that context, it doesn't just spit out a random deck, it actually gives us a set of options to help define the look and feel. We get to pick our preferred fonts, color palettes, and overall themes right then and there. After we make those selections, the agent generates a full presentation in less than a minute. It's incredibly fast, but the best part is that this is not just a locked, static product. It's fully editable. The AI gives us a strong foundation, and as we like to say, the real creative process actually starts once those initial slides are generated. So, as we said, once those slides are on the screen, we have a massive amount of control over how they look and function. The editing space is very intuitive. If you look at the top navigation bar, you'll see options for text, media, shapes, charts, tables, embeds, and even a record function to add video recordings to each slide. The media section is particularly impressive because it's not just for local uploads. We can integrate directly with Unsplash for high-quality photos, Givey for some personality, and even BrandFetch to pull in official logos instantly. When it comes to data, the charts section goes way beyond basic inputs. We can pull in live data from Google Sheets, Google Analytics, or ChartMogul, so the numbers are always accurate. If we need to add external content, the embed feature allows us to drop in interactive YouTube videos, Loom recordings, or even live Figma files and Airtable bases directly into a slide. For those of us in education or remote work, the ability to record ourselves presenting over the slides is a huge help for asynchronous meetings. Now, let's come to the most attractive part of Pitch, their new AI agent. The Pitch agent acts like a dedicated assistant that understands the context of our entire project rather than just looking at a single slide. One of the most powerful things it can do is analyze the data we have provided and suggest the best way to visualize it. If we have a complex set of numbers, the agent can help us determine if a bar chart or a table is more effective for the story we're trying to tell. It also assists in maintaining consistency across a large deck. All you need to explain is what you want to do. You can attach files here as a reference. So let's say you want to create a pitch deck presentation. Write down what you want and Pitch Agent instantly starts working on it and creates a structure of slides. Once the slides are ready, you can then make changes by explaining what needs to change. That's the coolest part because you're creating the whole presentation through real-time conversation without any manual work. Because Pitch Agent looks at and understands your whole deck, we can actually ask the AI questions about the presentation we just built, and it will give us clear, summarized answers about the content. If a specific slide feels a bit off, we can tell the AI to rewrite the text to better suit our audience or adjust the tone to be more professional or casual. It can even handle proofreading, so we don't have to worry about embarrassing typos. If we realize halfway through that we forgot a main agenda, we just ask the AI to create an agenda slide and it appears instantly. We can even generate custom images by describing a scene and a style to ensure every visual is unique to our brand. The list of tools is extensive. The AI can write sharing messages, add speaker notes, translate entire decks into different languages, or even create a whole new brand style from scratch. It can shorten or lengthen text depending on the slide real estate, and even simplify complex language so our message is crystal clear. These features are designed to save us hours of manual clicking. We provide the intent, and Pitch Agent executes the mechanical parts of the work, which allows us to focus on the actual strategy and the message we want to deliver to our audience. In addition to the creation tools, the library section is what makes this a sustainable platform for long-term professional use. We can't just think about one presentation, we have to think about the dozens we'll make over a year and across teams. The library allows us to establish a source of truth for our brand. We can set up specific brand templates, pre-select our official fonts, and curate a collection of approved images and videos that the whole team can access. This means that anyone on the team can jump into a new project and use custom-built template slides that already have the correct colors and layouts baked in. And you can trust that everything is to brand standard. We can also upload our own custom fonts so that the branding remains perfectly consistent no matter who is editing the deck. Having all of these assets in one central location prevents the "where's the latest logo" scramble that happens in so many offices. It's about building a system where the style is already decided, so the team only has to worry about the substance. Essentially, Pitch is more than just a place to make slides. It's a complete ecosystem that uses AI to remove the friction from the creative process. The Pitch agent helps you generate and edit slides and chat with your deck, so you can move faster without sacrificing control or your brand standards. If you're tired of fighting with traditional presentation software, you should definitely give this a try. Head over to the description to get the sign-up link and start building your next pitch deck today. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.